Monique, Maya, Micah, Naomi, Natalia, Neela, or Nyla, Nia, Nora, Olivia, Oriana, Paige, Parisa.
Let's it.
Alright, so hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. At the end of this video, we'll be announcing the top 6 suggestions that came from our YouTube or WhatsApp or Facebook friends and family. So stick around to see if your name made it to the top 6 suggested from the invitation.
Yeah.
Today we actually went to do a test. You
We're
will know.
actually at
I don't know if you
UWI
recognize
Hospital now.
the surroundings. Beautiful background. It's actually a hospital.
Yeah, we're here
But,
doing some additional tests that our doctor suggested. I had to be, but just don't eat my breakfast. I had to fast for 10 hours.
Yeah.
So
I had breakfast and it was very good. I had a burger, a regular Japanese burger. I had lettuce, tomato, cheese. I toasted the burger buns. Beautiful.
right,
actually.
and ate it in the car
I did
on the way
apologize.
here.
I did
while
apologize
I
before
had to
eating.
sit and eat nothing but
Did I apologize?
air.
Did I apologize?
Yes, you did.
I did. And she said it was okay.
Yes, you did. I'm never hungry at the time.
So that's a whole heap of suggestions.
Yep.
One whole heap of suggestions. Almost 100 actually.
Which is about almost 50 pairs
Right.
of names suggested by you guys. But if we were supposed to recombine them, really, it would be a whole lot.
A whole heap of names.
Yeah.
Right. So, really interesting. I don't even think we have the pronunciations right for all of them.
But some persons took the initiative and sent us voice notes and pronounced the names for us. But some of those names were very exotic. Some were most of them are beautiful, beautiful names.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm to run through them quickly. Alright, so they are
Run the rhythm.
Abriana, Akelia, Amaria, Amelia, Arabella, Aria, Ariana, Aria, Ayana, Ayla, or Ayla, Azaria, Brianna, Kalissa, Carissa, Chloe, Christina, Sienna, Claire, Dana, Nanika, Daniela, Daniel, Diana, Deandra. Dream, Eden Jade, Eliana, Elizabeth, Emeris, Gabriel, Isabella, Yanla, Jada, Jade, Joanna, Joel, Carissa, Kayla, Kelissa, Keris, Carissa, Kezia, Kiera, Cara Jade, Liana, Mackenzie, Maya Page, Maya Rose, Kayla, Maria, Mary, Melissa, Mia, Monique, Maya, Micah, Naomi, Natalia, Neela, or Nyla, Nia, Nora, Olivia, Oriana, Paige, Parisa, Paula, Paulina, Paulina, Paula, Paulina, Pauline, Priya, Reina, Rihanna, Reina again, Raquelia, Ruth, Sarah, or Sarah, Savannah, Charla, Sienna, Talia, Tamara, Tiana, Tia, Tiana, again, different spelling, Tia Paul, Zelia, Zoe.
Not to mention Tinal.
Tinal. Yes, you did the right one down. Tinal. So the most bizarre names we received, I think, would be Tinal, Tia Paul, and to some extent Paulina, which is an odd combination between Paul and
Paul
Tina.
and Tina.
The most commonly suggested names now.
So we got some repeats. So there are some popular names on the list. Ariana was one of them. Variations of Danielle, Daniela. We also had variations of Carissa, Keris.
Yeah.
We had a couple persons suggested Paige or names that had
with
Paige in
there.
them.
Hold on. Before going any further, the most bizarre name suggestion was actually Name of a car. I won't say who suggested it. It's a Tiana, and it's a Nissan vehicle.
It's not that bizarre.
It's actually it's a model of a
Yeah,
car.
but you have people who name Tiana.
I've never heard of
it's spelled
Tiana.
A lot of people spell their Tiana Tiana. I know a Tiana. I know somebody who
Tiana.
Tiana.
Yes, but yeah, that was the strangest one. Nissan Tiana.
It wasn't a strange name. Anyway, so we had a number of Reinas
Right.
and different spellings. for
Raina, Reighna, Reina,
Yeah.
and then you have the Rihannas.
And then we had a few Rihannas and different spellings
Spellings of
Rihanna.
Rihannas.
We had a couple roots in there. We had a couple tiers in there
Mm-hmm.
as well. I was drawn to the ones that had, because I looked up a couple of the meanings.
Mm-hmm.
I was drawn to the ones that, don't just sound nice but have nice meaning.
A strong meaning.
Yeah, like for example, Aria, which means noble.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a pretty one. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But our favorite, we have a short list. So we thank everybody for applying, but only the shortlisted names will be considered. And here they are, the top 6.
So, you guys know.
In no particular order, by the way.
Right. So these are our top 6 from the list that you guys suggested, right? Not including the ones that
We are considering personally, right?
we initially
Right.
had in mind. So they are, drum roll please, Maya Page, Emma Reese, Eden Jade or Eden Page,
Right.
Aria, Carissa, and Kyra.
That's the top 6, guys.
Yeah, so some of you even got other family members involved in coming up with the names.
And listen, let it continue. Let the names continue to come, because it's not a final thing, and we still have time. And if we don't know, we can use some for the next set of things. So just leave them coming. We got a couple boy suggestions as well.
Oh, right. Yes, we did.
From Fiona, I think.
Yes. Joel and John.
Right.
Auntie Sheree suggested Danielle and Joel, either as boy names or girl names.
Right. Yeah, but I think we actually settled in this process. Actually settled again on boy names. So Joshua was already there, but we figured out the other one, Jonah.
Yeah, while we were
I'm not sure
in this
why that came
whole
up.
name brainstorming thingy, we just came up. Paul came up with.
It settled with the
What
Jonah.
about Jonah as a boy name? So yeah, it would. Yeah, we basically settled. So if it happens
If
to be boys,
this set is boys, or you never know. Never know what the future holds.
this pregnancy thing is no cakewalk.
Never said it was a cakewalk. My contribution isn't a cakewalk either, but I have to do what I have to do. And if that's what it takes, that's what it takes, guys. Joshua and Jonah, they may be trapped in the whale's belly. We are going to check out the meanings for the top ones.
Yes.
And continue to be, of course, in prayer, because you don't really just want to name a child in anything.
Yeah, that's very important
Yeah.
to us actually.
Like my name is Paul. It means small or humble,
And my name would be a diminutive of Christina,
right? Which means what?
follower of Christ.
Right. I know Paul is like the top-notch apostle in the Bible. Like him just run road in the New Testament. So we want that kind of a strong, even if it's not a biblical name, something that's strong and can speak that kind of a
Characteristic
Right,
to the
into the child.
to the child.
Yeah, so we're
Yeah.
going to be prayerful about it as well. But thank you for sharing all your suggestions. We really appreciate it. And we will keep you updated as you continue on this journey with us, because it's one heck of a ride. Not much further to go. And we will be with you all the way. I am so excited. I told you the other day that I'm excited to, when the babies are born, to take some videos at like the 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock when them get up and give in trouble. And them don't want to go to them bed. And I just want to share all this joy with you guys. Like we didn't really document all that from Layla and Zara, but man, you guys were missing a beat. I should actually, if you go live, then they would be prompted.
Oh gosh, you're not so wicked. Don't be so wicked. Don't do it.
Turn on the notifications. And keep your phone nearby so when you hear ding.
Some 2 a.m.
Right.
live. Oh,
Me and my
gosh.
house has gone live. I'll be feeding the baby that is crying and bawling out. Say, listen, if you think one baby is problem at night, when the 2 of them get up and bawling, man.
Not to mention if them go wake up Layla and Zara in the middle of the night
and then
them get cranky. Damn.
It will be fun, guys. It will be fun, and don't worry, you will be there. You'll be there.
Yeah.
So
It's actually raining now.
it is raining, but
Coming out of the rain.
it's just a light shower and it took care of the heat. It was very hot earlier.
Yeah.
So again, wrap up here now and get going on the road again. Try to finalize your bag.
Yeah,
the
we'll have my
preparations.
bag preparations to finish up this weekend. This weekend now pass. And that bag to go to the hospital. At least my bag. No finish pack.
Yeah.
So blessings, guys. Peace and love. From me, I'm a host.
Oh, I was supposed to be on hold.
Yes.
Once again, big up from me and my house.